Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm just going to be showing how we can recover the deleted photos, videos or whatever you lost on your iPhone device now here on this video. So first of all, I'm just going to take a photo now and delete that just here on my iPhone device. Then I will show you how we can recover that. Let's go ahead to open the photos. You can see there's no photo or video. Now I'm going to open my camera to take a photo. Once I got here, I'm just using my selfie camera to take the photo. Once I got it, I'm going to get back here on the gallery, then opening the photo. Let's go ahead to delete it by deleting the photo option. Then we're back here on the albums and we have the recently deleted, so we're gonna delete that from this folder too. Once we delete all of that, we just go open our PC. Now time to download a software from the browser. Go open your browser and download the iMyfone debug. So how you can download, you can go click on here. The download will be just here on the left corner side. Wait, and it's going to be downloaded. Then just double tap to open directly from here on browser to install. So you can see you can continue up to install from here on this page, but I already installed. Now I'm going to open the debug iMyfone software. So let's go ahead to wait, and it's going to be open in my PC. Now time to choose the second one here we have. And now we are going to connect our iPhone device to PC with USB cable. So let me connect it. Here we go, this is my USB cable. Now I'm going to connect my phone to PC with this cable. Now you can see it has been connected. Then I'm going to click on next. Close this page and then go next, and you can select the photo or the video you want to recover. I'm going to choose only the photos. Now we're going to wait, and it's going to recover all your data or the photos you deleted permanently. Once it has been done, you will get a page. You can see I got 5 more photos from my phone, but this is the photo I just deleted on this video. Now I'll recover that by choosing that, and I click on here, then choose the folder you want to recover that, and here you go, all the photo has been recovered. Now time to open them. Now here you go, I got that photo I deleted on my iPhone now here on my PC. So this is all about how we can recover the deleted photos, videos, whatever you lost on iPhone devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget that like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.